With easy supply botting being dead for the foreseeable future, we have to turn our attention to somewhere else. And I think Shopify botting is about to get a lot more mainstream, back to the days of how it used to be back in like 2019 and stuff like that. So that begs the question, what is the best Shopify bot on the market? What bot do you need to get to be able to dominate on Shopify? No surprise, there it is. There is the best Shopify bot. That is Valor. Everyone knows. In my opinion, I think that's the best Shopify bot out there right now. I think just with the features that they are still coming out with each and every day, I think that they will continue to stay ahead of the trends. Um, not including their Nike module and things like that they're coming out with too. But I think their Shopify module, if you could see the public checkout log every single day, you would know that Valor is still the best Shopify bot, in my opinion. Um, so that is my opinion on the best Shopify bot on the market right now. Tonight, we are going to be going for the kit restock using this exact Shopify bot. If you guys have another opinion of what the best Shopify bot is, comment down below. Let me know what you think. And let me know if you think Valor is the best Shopify bot. But be sure to tune in tonight to the stream, probably like 8:30 p.m. Central or something like that. We'll try to go for the kit restock tonight using Valor. We'll see if we can get anything. We'll see if there's anything good enough to get. Big video coming tomorrow, too, guys. Is sneaker botting still worth it? Be sure to tune into the channel. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Let me know what you think about Valor. Let me know if you think it's the best Shopify bot. If not, tell me what is. All right, guys. Thanks so much. I'll see you tonight on the stream, 8:30 p.m. Central. Soul Stay from Juice. Signing out.